How to make $1,000 a day online easy, my secret formula. Hey, have you got a goal? Is your goal $1,000 a day? Well, if it is, this video is for you. If it's $500 a day, you can still listen to it. Stick around, I'll share with you. In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually make $1,000 a day. I'm going to give you my secret formula, all the steps to take, so you're going to want to watch this to the very end. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Thanks for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. I really do. I'll make it worth your while. And don't forget to subscribe while you're here. There's a big button down there. You want to click that button, turn it from red to gray. Once you do, you want to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so that you can be notified every single time I do one of these videos or if I go live. Now, I've been selling online since 2009, sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and on this channel I just share with you what I do and how I did it. I also share with you some of the mistakes too, but in this video I want to show you how to make $1,000 a day. $1,000 a day is not that much. I do that all the time now, and I do thousands of dollars a day now. It's kind of funny to hear me say that now, because when I started out, I remember I got my first sale and I think it was $10, and I was thrilled. I was like, oh my God, I sold something online. Somebody handed me money. And now they do it every single day, and I have all kinds of different products, and on this channel I just share that with you. So I wrote down a few things here. This is not real formal. This is really just to kind of help you out. But the first thing that you got to do is you got to find a profitable market. Too often people will look for a profitable product, and that's not what you want. What you want is a market. Now, one of the products we have is survival food, and in the survival food product, it actually goes out to a market, and that market is people who are preppers. So in the survival market, survivalists or preppers, they buy all kinds of products, right? They buy solar panels, they buy battery backups, they buy survival food, they buy tents, they buy knives, they buy camping gear, they buy all kinds of stuff. So when I talk about a profitable niche, you want to look for a niche where you can sell them all kinds of products, because the more products you sell within the niche, the more money you can make. And the advantage to this really is you can sell more to the same people. Once somebody buys from you, they're much more likely to buy again. So reaching that $1,000 a day mark's a whole lot easier. If you try to just reach a bigger and bigger market, you're marketing to more and more new people. It's much harder to sell a new person than somebody who's already done business with you. The people who have already done business with you, you've built up a trust. They know you, they like you, they know they can depend on it, you know, whatever the product is, whether it's digital or physical, and they're so much more likely to buy from you than a cold prospect. Number two, you want to hit them on several different contact points. What do I mean by this? Well, first off, you've got an ad. That's a contact point. Okay, if they come in on an ad, that contact point is they saw your ad, they clicked, they looked, they bought, they didn't buy, but that's one contact point. Another contact point may be a website. I always recommend that people have websites. Do you have to have a website? No, you don't, but it is another contact point. So maybe they can go there, maybe they can read your blog, maybe they can learn about you, maybe they can see your other products. That's a contact point. Maybe you want to start a Facebook page. Once again, another contact point. That's a place where they can interact with other people, they can see your products, you can post things in there, and through that contact point they learn a little bit more about you. Maybe you have a Twitter account, maybe you want to tweet. Once again, another contact point. So as you expand your business and you expand all these contact points, it builds a sense of loyalty and trust for your business. So having multiple contact points can definitely increase your sales. If you have these multiple contact points too, don't forget that they can actually refer their friends and their relatives, and they can talk about, you know, all these things, this blog that you have, or this bot, you know, list that you have where you get instant messages from this company. So they're more likely to share this information about you if you have several contact points. And I know it can be overwhelming. However, there are programs out there that, you know, can actually push out your information to several areas. The one I think of right off the bat is Hootsuite. You know, we can put one thing in Hootsuite and it can send it out to 4 to 5 different social media areas, so that we don't have to post them in all those different areas. But having multiple contact points can definitely help your business. Number three, provide value. How do you provide value? You know, that's the question now, isn't it? It used to be people would go and buy a product from a company. That's what they did. Now they expect more. They're going to expect a whole lot more. Sure, they want to buy a product from a company and they want to have a good product and they want to trust the product, but they want more. They want education, they want entertainment, they want a lot of different things. So let me give you an example. Let's say somebody is purchasing home improvement stuff. They may go to the Home Depot and maybe one of the things that they want to purchase is a faucet for their bathroom, and they've never purchased a faucet before. They don't know how to install a faucet, but the Home Depot provides a video on quick installation of bathroom faucets, and they can sit there and watch that video and learn how to put that faucet in. Thus they've received some value. Now if I receive value from a website and it teaches me how to do something, or it informs me or educates me or entertains me, I'm a lot more likely to actually buy the product. Now maybe you have a cooking site, maybe you have recipes listed there, and they can go through all these recipes, and that's 90% of your site is recipes and cooking tutorials. However, you have affiliate links to maybe a bowl that you used, or a mixer you used, or a knife you used, and that's where you actually make your money. So content marketing nowadays is really necessary. Right now you're watching a video, that is probably on YouTube, and I'm teaching you about a particular subject. I'm giving you value. Do I have things for sale? Sure I do. I have products for sale too. I have to make a living, of course I do. But 90%, maybe 95%, maybe 98% of what I do is done for free. It's only about 2% that actually buy things from me, but that's okay, because that 2% pays for everything, and that's the cool thing about it. But understand, I've got to give you value or you're not going to want to buy my products. If you watch one of these videos and you go, wow, I learned something, I know something now, I can take that and I can actually make some money, I bet his stuff that he sells really has some value, and it does. You want to check it out, by the way. But if you want to check out my course, one of my courses, you can look down in the description and there's a click and learn course there. It's a $97 one. You can get it absolutely free, so check that out. But bottom line is, you've got to provide value, guys. Nowadays you have to give value to your audience. You're probably not going to sell your product. You know, the other things you can do, of course, I talked about videos, I talked about blogs. You can have free downloads, you can have manuals, you can have checklists. All of these things can be offered to your customer to help you build your list and build your credibility. Now here's the question. The question is, how much free content do you do, and how much do you talk about actually selling something? I talk about selling stuff probably, oh gosh, 10-20% of the time, and the rest of the time I just educate and I give people real value. So that's pretty much what you have to do. My wife has a channel, you want to check that out, by the way, a little cross promotion. It's the Furry Family Coach, Jessica L. Fisher. Check that one out. If you've got a dog, you got to go to this channel. It's awesome. She's got a great book. You want to check all that out. So I'm doing a little promotion there, right? But I know you're going to get good value. I know you're going to go to that channel if you've got a pet, and any of you cool people out there have a pet, right? All cool people have a pet. If you have a pet, you're going to go to that channel, you're going to get good value, and you might buy some of her stuff, and that would be awesome. The other thing I would tell you is, you know, like I just did a little cross promotion there. Don't recommend anybody unless it really fits within your brand and you know it's a good product. Now I've had people approach me over the past few months. More and more people are approaching me to do videos to promote their product, and some of the products just don't match. They just don't match. You know, I had a company the other day who had financial services, and I guess technically I talk about finances, but it was about an investment type site, and I don't know the site, I don't know, and I don't want to take the time really to look at it. So, you know, I passed on that. Now I had one contact me the other day who has a software for editing videos. Now I do a lot of videos and I do a lot of editing, so I'm going to check it out, and if their software is good and it looks good, I'll probably do a video for them. They want to pay me and they want to give me a percentage of, you know, the people that go there, but I've got to check it out first, because if I've built this audience and this trust with my audience and I send you somewhere and you don't get good results, it's going to come back on me. Okay, it's not going to come back on them because I told you to go there. So I'm very cautious about that. I will tell you, I do recommend one piece of software. It's called Kartra. You'll find a link below. You can watch a free video on Kartra. All of my sales funnels, you know, all of my video hosting, all of my sales pages, all of my email marketing goes through Kartra. It will save you a ton of money if you're marketing online, and you can watch a video through the link below. And if you're interested, I do have an affiliate link, and for $1 you can get a trial on Kartra. So that's pretty cool. You can try it out, make sure everything works. So there's a plug for you, which was a very, very small plug of this video. It's mostly telling you what you need to do to get good results. So there it is, guys. It's pretty much that simple. You need to find a profitable market. You're going to need to, have several contact points, and you're going to need to give value. If you do those three things, you're going to get pretty good results online. I think you'll be very satisfied with what you get, and put in the effort. Don't forget to put in the effort. If you haven't subscribed yet, I forgot, you got to hit that subscribe button down there. If it's red, you want to turn it gray. As soon as you click it, a bell is going to pop up. You want to ring the bell. You want to turn on all notifications, become part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do one of those videos. That's pretty cool. And give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. That thumbs up doesn't cost you anything. Do it right now. Just click, click, click. See, click. You got it. You're done. Thank you for all you who just did that. I really appreciate that. And don't forget to comment. Put your comments below. If you've got questions about this, you've got questions about building your business, feel free to do so. $1,000 a day. I know you can do it. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.